Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Today, I will tell you about my weekend routine. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's start. On Saturday morning, I usually wake up a little later. I get up at 8 o'clock. I make a cup of tea and eat a simple breakfast. I feel relaxed because I don't go to work. After breakfast, I clean my home. I wash the dishes. I sweep the floor. I water the plants near the window. I like to keep my home tidy. In the late morning, I often go shopping. I walk to the supermarket. I buy bread, fruit, and vegetables. Sometimes I buy rice, milk, or snacks. I pay at the counter and carry the bags home. In the afternoon, I enjoy my free time. Sometimes I meet my friends. We go to a cafe. We drink coffee and talk about our week. Sometimes we go to the park. We walk slowly and enjoy the fresh air. On Saturday evening, I like to cook something nice. I make pasta, soup, or rice with vegetables. Sometimes I try a new recipe. Cooking on the weekend feels fun and creative. After dinner, I relax. I watch a movie or a TV series. I enjoy the quiet time at home. On Sunday morning, I usually read a book. I sit by the window with a cup of tea. I read slowly and enjoy the story. Sometimes I listen to music. It makes me feel calm and happy. At noon, I visit my parents. We eat lunch together. We talk about our week. We laugh and share stories. Family time makes me feel warm and loved. In the afternoon, I prepare for the new week. I wash my clothes. I fold them neatly. I check my bag for work. I write a short list of things to do on Monday. On Sunday evening, I rest early. I take a shower. I wear my pajamas. I read a few pages of a book. At 10 o'clock, I turn off the light. I go to sleep with a smile. This is my weekend routine. What about you? What do you do on the weekend? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.